Good afternoon, dear teachers. Today I'm going to tell you how you can use Peer Deck in your Google Slides. So first let me open Google Chrome for you. And once we open, we straight away go to the 9 dots where you will locate your slide button. And then once you click it, the slides will appear. And then this is the icon which you have to click for creating a new presentation. Okay, so once you click, you will get a blank presentation. So from this scroll bar, you can select the template for your presentation. So let me quickly scroll down and select a nice template. So you just need to click, and once you click, the template will be applied. Now it says click to add title, so you can simply click and add a nice title to your presentation. Likewise, you can give any subtopic to your presentation. Now once we do it, time to add our add-on. So for that, I'll simply go to the add-ons button, which you can see right there. Yes, and then I'm going to click on get add-on button. So once I click here, it will directly take me to the G Suite marketplace. From here, I'll just type Peer Deck, and once I type it, I'll get it in the suggestion box below. And then from here, since I've already installed it, so it is showing installed, you can simply click on it and it will get installed. So let me close it, and once I close it, then what will happen? Now it's time to get the add-on enabled. So for that, again, I'm going to click on add-on, and then I'll go to Peer Deck add-on, and then from here I can have my Peer Deck add-on pane. So from here, let me select the question. I want to select multiple choice question, so I'll just click on it, and it is going to show me as to how it is going to look on the screen, like preview. It will show. And after that, you simply click on OK, and then you need to type the options for it. Okay, so I'm getting the suggestions because I've already created some of the Peer Deck quizzes for the kids. So if you want to add more option, click on this button. If you wish to remove any option, then you can simply click on this cross button. Once you do it, click on this button. Now once we have done this, we can quickly write the question on this title bar. So here it says click to add title. So you can type your question here, and after typing the question, you can type your options in the title bar that is below it. So here you will type the same options which you have given to your kids in the Peer Deck template. Okay, so you can see those options. They are written down below where it says this is a Peer Deck multiple choice slide. So you can just see the correct options from here. You can copy paste the options as well. So you can just copy paste and do it. And now for presenting, we are not going to present it using the present button of the slides. Instead, we are going to use this start lesson button. Okay, why? Because we need, once we do this, then only our this thing will be interactive. Okay, so once you will click on this start to present or present slide, so what will happen? You will see a dialog box appearing, and this dialog box will let you choose as to how you want your lesson to be, whether you want it instructor paced or student paced. I always click on instructor paced, and once you do it, it will show you the code for your PD. So for that, you just either you can click on this copy link, so and you can directly paste it in the chat box with your kids, where they will simply click on the link and this particular page will open for them. Or you can ask the kids to open Google Chrome, go to joinpd.com, and from here they can enter the code that is mentioned here, that is EMZH